Hello everyone, this is SpeakUP. Today, you'll be learning how to say the parts of the face in Filipino. It could be fun to know them and use them when talking to locals. Let's start with mata. This translates to eye in English. Ma-ta. Mata. 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 Maganda ang mga mata mo. Malinaw ba mga mata mo? May dumi ka sa mata. Ilong. This is nose. Ilong. 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 Matangos ang ilong niya. Pango ang ilong ko. Ayoko ng ilong ko. Tenga is ear. Tenga. 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 Ang laki ng tenga mo. Ang cute ng tenga niya. Masakit ang tenga ko. Mukha translates to face. Mukha. 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 Maganda ang mukha mo. Ang laki ng mukha ko. Ang liit ng mukha niya. Labi is lip. Add mga before labi to say lips. Labi. 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 Mapula ang mga labi mo. Ang kapal ng labi niya. Manipis ang mga labi mo. These are some of the most basic parts of the face. Now, let's practice the words that you learned today. This means eye. Mata. This translates to nose. Ilong. This translates to ear. Tenga. This translates to face. Mukha. This translates to lip. Labi. I hope you find these words useful the next time you have a chance to talk to locals. Try using them and surprise some Filipinos. Thank you for watching. Paalam po.